Here we are, day 4. So day 4 is going to be very similar to day 3, except we're just subbing in a new question. And it's probably the second most common one that you'll get asked. Yesterday was where are you from? Today is what do you do? So again, instead of just answering with whatever your job title is, what I want you to do is think about your values, why this is your job, why you've chosen the field. And if it's not like your ultimate, there's a couple of angles to take. One is, where is this getting you, right? If this is a stepping stone, you can talk, well, right now I do this, but what I really love is this because. If it's something that's a mistake, I mean, some people they've gotten into the finance world, the consulting world, or accounting, or just something that they thought was like really prestigious and they don't like. I found myself in this position. I was a consultant, and what I would say is, by day, I just crush Microsoft Excel, but what I really love is music, and I could talk about that for another sentence or two. So, you're going to share your values, right, related to what you like to do, what you do during the day. It doesn't have to be even job related. Just share your values about what you like to spend your time doing. Second, open loops at the end. Any sort of thing that you can hint at that is vague, but you're excited about, or that like leaves a question, wait, what is that? If you can end on that note, they'll ask you a question and become more engaged. So again, if you need to go back, watch videos 14 to 15. You can see me work with my brother to actually get these out. It's got all of the information in there. That's going to be the much more complete description of how to do this, but this is your mission for today. So write it down, 3 to 5 sentences, and then secondly, what you're going to do is share it, and of course, third, close that, right? Take that piece of paper, keep it, but recite this, right? Say this stuff, and it doesn't have to be word for word, but the message right now. Go through it. You'd only have to do it once. Bonus points and highly recommended, go through it a couple of times, say it 3 to 5 times till it becomes second nature, right? So where you can riff off it. That is where it gets powerful. And then of course, the real important thing is, while somebody might not ask you this today, is the next time that you get asked, where are you from or what do you do, that you bust this out and you see how they respond, because that is going to be the ultimate arbiter and how good that is. And then you'll know, wait, is this making a good impression or do I need to retool it a little bit? Because I will tell you, this can set you on the right path in conversation, or if you blow it, it can sort of just fizzle. So share all this stuff, and I hope the day goes well.